How to connect ChatGPT to Figma. So, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT in your web browser. Next, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner and select Settings. In the Settings window, click Plugins from the left-hand menu. Now, select Browse Plugins. This will open the ChatGPT plugin store, where you'll find hundreds of plugins for different tasks, including design, coding, productivity, development, and file management. For this tutorial, I'll install the Figma plugin. Scroll through the list or search for Figma, then click on it. You'll see information about the plugin and what it can do. Click Install Plugin and wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. Once it's installed, the Install Plugin button will change to Try and Chat. Click Try and Chat to open a new conversation with the Figma plugin already enabled. Now simply type your request. For example, inspect a Figma design and implement it in code. Then press Enter. If your request requires a Figma file, the plugin will guide you through the next steps and ask you to provide your Figma design URL. Once your design is connected, ChatGPT can analyze your layout and generate code in frameworks such as HTML, CSS, React, Next.js, Tailwind CSS, Flutter, Vue, and more. And that's how easy it is to install and start using the Figma plugin in ChatGPT. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.